to the
of our
people what
colleagues
they
are
want.
interested in
If
how
they want condominium or if
and
they
how
want the land.
the
Parehong
4P
advocacy
4PH
natin dyan,
program
good gentlewoman.
will
Kahit
come
di
into
lang
fruition.
sponsor.
Kasi actually, I'm reading, Secretary, I'm reading the President's budget message. Ito po, page 22. The Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino 4PH program, the administration's flagship program for housing. Yan po ang sabi niya. Pero ito lang po, dito tayo, babalikan ko yung mga numbers na naman ninyo. Sabi ng Presidente, this program will address the housing needs of 1.4 million Filipinos, etc. 1.4 ang nasa mind ng Presidente. Your plan is 3.2. Bakit? Ang layo rin ng goal niya, sa goal ninyo, then original goal niyo, 6 million pa. Nag-uusap po ba kayo, Mr. Secretary?
0.4 lang.
Okay. Mr. President, yung binanggit daw ni Presidente na 1.4 million ay yung target as of now. Samantalang yung 3.2 ay yung adjusted target ng department for the next 4 years or 3 years hanggang 2028.
Isn't the Secretary just the alter ego of the President? I mean, what's the target of the President? 1.4. Sinabi niya isang budget message niya. This program will, so future tense, address the housing needs of 1.4 million Filipinos. And he's referring to his own flagship housing program. So what is the real goal? Kaya pala, well, ulitin ko to, no? This is not a good reflection on the sector or the department. Sa SONA nga ng Presidente, ulitin ko, hindi nga kayo na-mention eh. Ibig sabihin nun eh, baka ang Presidente mismo hindi impressed o hindi believe sa publicly stated goals po natin.
Mr. President, yung 2028 target ng DSUD na 3.2 million aligned dun sa NEDA. Yung budget message naman po kasi ni Presidente is for 2025 and yung kanilang target na 1.2 million is also for 2025. Shared na shared po yun ng department at nung secretary bilang nga pong alter ego ni Presidente.
With
Well,
the indulgence of the minority leader, if I may, just one question.
Can I complete my thought?
Okay.
Kasi kung 2025 yun, ang sentence, yung part of the sentence kasi na hindi ko binasa, sinabi niya na there's an allocation of 1.8 billion pesos. And then you mean to say, sabi ng sa mind ni Presidente, ang beneficiary ng 1.8 billion pesos ay 1.4 million Filipinos? Imposible, Mr. President. 1,000
Mr.
pesos
President.
per head.
Hindi
Mr.
rin po.
President, kaya-
Kinukuha ko po
Mr.
yung
Mr.
saktong datos.
So, yes, go ahead, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Have you started the construction of the houses for 1.4 million Filipinos?
Not yet, Mr. President.
Oh, when will you start? The President has already mentioned.
Ang ongoing sa ngayon na construction, Mr. President, ay para sa 162,000
Only?
units.
Only? Slow-paced. The term of the President is going to end in 3 years. Until now, you're only building around 162 houses for only 162,000 Filipinos?
Admittedly, Mr. President, even on the part of the department, it is slow. Kaya po, kinonceptualize nila yung 4PH. And they believe with the government guarantee as a game changer, with Pag-ibig fulfilling an important role, makaka-catch up po sila. Kaya nga po, they were able to set targets of housing units delivered until 2028. At target po nila, by 2028, nakapag-deliver na po sila ng 1.1 million housing units with interest subsidy and with a guarantee requirement.
1.1 million housing units.
Yes,
So
to
that
be
will-
precise, Mr. President.
That will house how many Filipinos?
This would house, Mr. President, around 5 million Filipinos by 2028.
By 2028.
Opo.
But as of now, you're hanggang 162,000 Filipinos pa lang.
162,000 units po, housing.
162,000 units. Is that feasible?
Housing around 800,000 Filipinos, Mr. President,
Are you sure?
as of this year or as of now.
Are you sure you can meet the target before the end of the term of the president?
It is the It is the firm belief, Mr. President, of the department na gamit ang government guarantee, mapapabilis at makukumpleto yung construction ng kinakailangang housing units na ito.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you, Mr. President.